Remember that pizza scene in Back to the Future 2, where they hydrate a flat disk into a full meal in seconds? It seemed amazing at the time. Turns out the actual future of food is even more dazzling. Imagine a kitchen that knows exactly what you want to eat, even before you. No guesswork, no recipes, just perfect meals every time. Welcome to the future of food. AI doesn't just follow recipes. It analyzes your health, your mood, even your microbiome, and creates meals tailored precisely to your needs. It's like having a Michelin-starred chef and a personal doctor in one. Want high protein, gut-friendly, neuro-enhancing? You don't need to know the science. The kitchen does it for you. AI isn't limited to the ingredients we know. It designs new flavor compounds, ones no human tongue has ever tasted. It doesn't stop at fusion. It creates entirely new categories. Umami 2.0. Sweetness that triggers memory. Textures that respond to mood. Think of pineapple plus peppercorn foam, or ginger lavender chocolate with echoing aftertastes. Food becomes not just nourishment, but an experience. Forget cooking. Food is printed, layered, textured, nutritionally optimized. No more leftovers. No more waste. Only precision. Only purpose. Dinner is no longer one size fits all. Each plate is custom, not just for dietary needs, but for preferences, emotions, even your genetic profile. AI recreates your favorite dishes from memory. Missing your grandmother's soup? Done. Want the exact burrito from that beach vacation in 2022? Already waiting for you. Going out for dinner? Takeout? That's history. You come home and your kitchen already made it, with your preferred lighting, mood music, and the perfect drink. AI-driven food doesn't just change what we eat, it changes why we eat it. Sustainability isn't a choice, it's the default. Meat without slaughter, taste without impact. Every bite is an upgrade for your health and for the earth. The question isn't what's for dinner. It's what do you want to feel, become, and change? In the kitchen of the future, food isn't just fuel, it's transformation. Curious about the future? Subscribe to Future Nest by Robin for weekly videos on what's coming next.